In this question, some atoms and molecules are given in list 1. Their properties are given in list 2. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is given as nitrogen atom. Nitrogen has the atomic number 7 and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Among the group 15 elements, we can say nitrogen has the highest ionization energy because ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an atom. Nitrogen has the half-filled p subshell, that is 2p3 configuration. Because of their high stability, it is not easy to remove an electron from the outermost shell of a nitrogen atom. It means their ionization energy is very high comparing to the other group 15 elements. The second one is given as fluorine molecule. Fluorine has the atomic number 9 and the electronic configuration is 27. Due to their smaller size and high electronegativity, they can accept one more electron to complete their octet. It means they can act as a good oxidative agent. The third one is oxygen molecule and which has the electronic configuration sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. From this electronic configuration, it is clear the pi star 2px and 2py orbitals of oxygen atom contains unpaired electrons. It means this oxygen molecule is paramagnetic in nature. The last one is given as xenon atom. Xenon belongs to the group 18 or this is a noble gas and this is most reactive element in group 18 because it belongs to the bottom of the group. Now from these options we can say option D is the correct one.